collection at Dior. Oh, I love that dress. It's absolutely stunning. The Duomo looks incredible tonight.
And your dress is perfect for it.
We should head to the bar.
Rodrigo proprio si va quel toglio. Poi eu só queria um pouquinho. Adoro essa música, vamos dançar.
Com certeza.
Wait, did you see his jacket? Oh my god, yes I did! It's perfect for the party later. Elbisenin rengi sana çok yakışmış. Teşekkür ederim senin de öyle. Look at that campaign up there. We should totally try that post later. Oh my god, yes, I love that song. Wait, did you see her dress? Oh my god, yes. We should head to the bar before it gets too crowded. The new lounge is amazing tonight. I know, the music is perfect. Look at that window display, isn't it amazing? Yes, I adore the dress. Shall we keep shopping? Did you see the new collection at the boutique? Oh my god, the silk dress is stunning. Oh my god, look at that dress. Oh, it's stunning. We have to go in. Let's check out that place down there. It's so loud, I can barely hear you.
Right this way, honored guest. Watch out, coming through.
Hey, over here! We've been waiting for you! Come on, let's go! The Bosphorus looks absolutely stunning today. I know, perfect for the yacht party later. We should definitely stop for cocktails first.
Seriously, your outfit is amazing today.
Thanks, I just thrifted this blazer yesterday.
This dress is absolutely stunning on you.
Thank you, darling. The night is perfect. I love this area at night. Your jacket is seriously the best, though. Look at that skirt, it's so cute. I know, let's go inside. The place I was telling you about. It's amazing. Look at everyone's outfits. Wait, did you see the look on her face when you said that? I know, right? It's gonna be a great night. Best outfit I've ever seen, honestly. Absolutely, and your dress is perfect. I love your outfit. We should definitely check out that new club right there. Look at the colors on that. It's incredible. The detail is insane. Oh my gosh, look at the sale they're having over there. We absolutely have to go in. Look at that decorating the window. Stunning. You have to try this cocktail, it's incredible.
Oh, really?
I'll order one right now. The view from here is incredible tonight. I know, I can't believe we almost stayed in. I'm having the best time tonight. Look at how the lights reflect on the water. It's beautiful. Wait, seriously, he actually said that to you? I know, right? I couldn't believe it either.
Party at the tower is already starting.
Oh, good. I need another champagne.
Your dress is gorgeous, darling.
Yes, the lights. Oh my God, look at that store. We have to check it out later. Definitely. I love this vibe so much. Did you see the new collection at the boutique? Oh yes, the tweed jacket is divine. This place is amazing. I love the atmosphere. Look at those fans. We should get one. We simply have to feature the new bags from the boutique. Colors are perfect for spring. Yeah. The textures are incredible. Let's head back. Look at the detail on that dress. Absolutely exquisite. I wonder who designed it. This place is amazing. Look at all the lights. I can't wait to dance. Mine isn't too long yet.
The lights are incredible from here.
They really are. I'm so glad we came.